Hi everyone, welcome to 10th class math class. Today I am going to explain pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.1. First exercise, first problem. From the pair of linear equations in the following problems and their solutions graphically. ఈ సొల్యూషన్ గ్రాఫ్ ద్వారా మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, 10 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ క్లాస్ 10th took part in the mathematics quiz. క్విజ్లో ఉన్నటువంటి పాల్గొన్నారు క్విజ్లో. ఇఫ్ ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ గర్ల్స్ 4 మోర్ దాన్ ది నంబర్ ఆఫ్ బాయ్స్, నలుగురు కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉన్నట్లు. ఫైండ్ ద నంబర్ ఆఫ్ బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్ హూ టుక్ పార్ట్ ఇన్ ద క్విజ్. ఎవరు తీసుకున్నారు, బాలికల సంఖ్యను బాలుల సంఖ్యలు మనం క్విజ్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయడం అని మనం కనుక్కోవాలి. దేని ద్వారా? గ్రాఫ్ ద్వారా. ఇక్కడ టోటల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఎంతమంది అండి? 10. సో నౌ you have to observe here exercise 3.1 problem number 1. Already I read the question. ఇక్కడ మనం let the number of boys equal to x, number of boys is equal to x, let the number of girls is equal to y. Given boys and girls both x plus y equal to 10, అంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ మొత్తం బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్ 10. సే ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1. Given if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, అంటే బాయ్స్ కంటే 4 ఎక్కువ ఉన్నట్టుగా చెప్తున్నాడు ఇక్కడ. గర్ల్స్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ బాయ్స్ x ప్లస్ మోర్ దాన్ 4, అంటే x ప్లస్ 4. సో ద ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ x ప్లస్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10. y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, take the right side, it becomes minus x, then it becomes like this, y is equal to mx plus c form. So this one is the x and this one is the y. Then you put in the place of x 0, 0 plus 10, 10. You put 1, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. You put 2, 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. You put 3, 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Then you have to take the negative values. The x is equal to minus 1, minus of minus plus 1, 1 plus 10, 11, again minus 2 minus 12, again minus 3, it becomes 13. This is the first table. And you have to take the second table. Given the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, so y is equal to x plus 4. Same values, x is equal to, x and y is equal to x plus 4. X is equal to 0, 0 plus 4, 4, 1 plus 4, 5, 2 plus 4, 6, minus 1 plus 3, minus 1 plus 4, 3, minus 2 plus 4, 2, minus 3 plus 4, 1, minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. Then you have to draw the graph. See here also you write the scale on x-axis, scale on y-axis. Scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Then I plot the points. First equation 0, 0 means 10. So there is the 10. You say 0 comma 10. Name say A. Again 1 9, 1 9, 1 comma 9. Say B. Next 2 comma 8, 2 comma 8 here. C 2 comma 8. Next 3 comma 7. So we put here like this. And minus 1 comma 11. Minus 2 comma 12. Minus 3 13. So take the scale and join these points like this. Observe clearly. So you draw on the line. So this one is the x plus y equal to 10. This is the graph. X plus y, this is the straight line. Again second, take the 0, 0 becomes 4. So then you put here and 4. Say PRQ 0 comma 4. Again 1. 1 means 5. here. 2 means 6. Say another names P, Q, R, etc. etc. So this one is the 1 comma 5. This is 2 comma 6. Next minus 1 comma 3. Minus 1 key 3. This one minus 2 2. Minus 3 1. Minus 4 0. Then you have to draw these points and join 3 points. You get straight line like this, and then these 2 lines are intersecting here. First one is the 7, the x-axis intersected 3, so this is the 3 comma 7. 3 comma 7 intersected the point 3 comma 7. So x is equal here, x is equal to 3. What is the x? The boys, x is equal to 3, and girls y is equal to 7. So first we have to observe x plus y is equal to 10, the equal. This is the graph. This is the exercise 3.1. First problem I solved the graphically, get the values 3 and 7. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and observe the question properly. I explain briefly again. See this one, like this graph and the matter. I am once again I explain. Please observe it. So let the number of boys is equal to x, let the number of girls is equal to y. Given boys and girls is equal to x plus y is equal to 10. Say equation number 1. Given the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. ఇచ్చినటువంటి దాన్ని బట్టి y is equal to x plus 4. First equation you have to take like y is equal to ms plus p. Take the table and put the graph, plot the graph on the graph sheet, then join the points. You get the x plus y is equal to 10, this one line, and again y is equal to x plus 4. Plot the points on graph sheet and join this one. These 2 lines are intersect at 3 comma 7. The boys x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like it and share with your friends.